What's good, y'all? Yeah, you see that right, a pink Volkswagen ID. Buzz. And nah, this ain't your mom's grocery getter. This thing is fully modified, widebody, air suspension, carbon fiber, the whole package. So before I catch a case for not showing you around, let's get into it. Front. First up, the front end. Check this Widebody Kit, makes this van look straight up aggressive. Carbon fiber hood? Yeah, that's real carbon. Light as hell. And these custom pink LED DRLs? At night, this thing looks like it just rolled out of a cyberpunk movie. Front splitter is carbon too, sitting mad low, almost scraping. On the road? People gonna break their necks looking at this. Side. Now let's slide to the side. Air suspension, baby. Yeah, I can drop it or raise it with a remote. Right now? It's slammed. Zero gap. But here's the crazy part, stance feels like a tough SUV but sitting like a sports car. 24-inch wheels, black chrome finish. And these wide fenders? Bro, this thing is wide. Takes up the whole lane. Side profile? That's where the money's at. Asterisk. Rear. Now check the back. Full width LED light bar, connected taillights. At night, the whole rear lights up. Diffuser? Carbon fiber again. And yeah, exhaust sound? It's electric bro, but I added a modified sound module. Now it sounds like a sports car. Roof spoiler? Little bit of drama, but looks clean. Rear end is sharp, aggressive, and mean. No cap. Interior. Hop inside, feels like a spaceship, for real. Steering wheel is carbon fiber, flat bottom. Feels good in your hands. Digital dashboard with custom pink and red UI. Red ambient lighting? Yeah, whole cabin glows up. Seats are quilted pink leather with black stitching, look clean as hell. Center console is floating, touch controls everywhere. And the sunroof? So big you can see buildings through it. Bro, inside this thing, you feel like a CEO. Price and power. Alright, let's talk power. Stock, 201 horsepower and 310 Nm torque. But after mods? ECU tune, custom motor controller, we pushing around 280 horsepower now. 0 to 60? 6.8 seconds. Range? About 250 miles on a full charge. Now price, stock ID. Buzz imported? Around 70 to 80 grand. But with widebody, air suspension, wheels, carbon, interior? You lookin' at 110 to 120 grand easy. Yeah, it's expensive. But bro, nobody else gonna have this. Asterisk. If you like this, so like and subscribe now.